Yeah, I gotta get the shenanigans. I gotta get the shenanigans. Watch out, we got shenanigans going on. Watch out. Fight, fight, fight.
Kneel before the march of us.
Pond, Sunstorm got Pond. All hail knockout.
Do you know where the knockout is?
I believe it is down that hall, right over there.
Okay. Yep.
Hi, Felicia.
Wait a minute.
Thank you.
I know you. You're on T-Cause.
Yes.
I'm Autobot Dead.
Oh, yeah.